What is up, guys? Bonjour! This is Julien, the Frenchman who makes French pronunciation videos here on YouTube, and we are looking at how to pronounce the name of this delicious French dish that is traditional in French cuisine. This is a beef stew made with beef cooked in red wine for a very long time, together with a few carrots, a bit of onions, quite a bit of butter, and some herbs. This is how to say, you would say in English, Boeuf Bourguignon. In French, we say Boeuf Bourguignon. Boeuf Bourguignon. Do not say Boeuf Bourguignon, but rather Boeuf Bourguignon, because yes, it means beef from Burgundy. Burgundian beef, if you wish. Boeuf Bourguignon. Boeuf Bourguignon. Here are many more videos if you like to learn more about French cooking terms and French produce, French ingredients, all the good stuff from France. I'll leave you to it, and I will see you soon in the wonderful world of French pronunciation. Au revoir.